Hi guys, today I want to talk about how to create a fake color gel effect in Photoshop. And when I say fake, I mean what exactly we do in Studio. We just coloring the whites, putting the color gel on the white. In Photoshop, we do the same. We just coloring the whites on the subject and the effect is the same. The process is very simple. Stay with me and I'll show you. I made this image maybe 2 months ago and it's perfect for the tutorial. It's not so complex. Okay, first let's create a new gradient map for the first color. In the left, choose black, and on the right of the gradient we have to choose the first color which you want to use. I will pick some cyan color. Okay, something like this. Okay, now on the older version of Photoshop, the method drop down menu is missing. The default is classic. I also prefer classic gradient. Okay, now let's create the second color. Again, gradient map layer. On the gradient on the left, black. On the right, choose the second color. I will choose some red color. Okay. Again, the method I prefer classic. Now let's invert the mask for the second color with Ctrl and I. Pick the brush, choose the white color, and let's paint only on the right of the body. The opacity at 100. Okay. Don't think about the background. We will fix it later. Okay. Let's see here. This part on the finger, the whites comes from the left. That's why I will not paint on that zone, only here. Okay. I think it's good. Now let's take care for the background. For do that, select the background layer, magic wand, and select only the background. Let's make some feather, maybe 2 pixels is good enough to make the selection a little more smooth. Return to the mask of the second color, choose black color and paint to hide the second color on the background. Okay, let's deselect. Now we have the red color from the right, and it's way more natural if the background in this zone to be a little more reddish. Again, let's select the mask, invert to white color, decrease the opacity maybe 10%, and add a little more red color on the right. Okay, I think this is good enough. Let's see before and after. Now let's make some adjustment. I think the red color is too dark. Let's create a new curves adjustment layer. Click this button to affect only the layer below. And let's increase the whites. Okay. I think it's good. Now you can group all these 3 layers and add another curves adjustment layer to affect the whole image. Little more whites to the whole image, little more on the dark. Okay. And I think it's ready. Let's see before and after. Little more zoom. Before and after. The tutorial again is very easy. The image is not so complex. Maybe in some other images we'll have little more work to do. The steps again: first, create the gradient map layer for the first color from the left, then create another gradient map layer for the second color from the right, invert the mask of the second layer, paint with the white to show the second color, and finally some little more adjustments. Thank you for watching the video, subscribe to my channels for more videos, and see you soon.